Shemai, I'm Matt Pritchard and I've just been whipping up my banging vegan banana bread. I've got some food waste left over and I'm going to recycle it because just 2 banana peels can generate enough green energy to charge 3 smartphones. Try gwastraff bwyd and bŵer I Gymru. Last year, Wales recycled enough food waste to power more than 10,000 homes. But we can make an even mightier impact. If we recycled all our food waste, we could power another 7,500 homes. Na hwnna'n lot o bŵer. Some people think that food recycling can be a bit uchafi, but it doesn't have to be. Recycle your food waste like a pro by following my 5 top tips. Use a caddy liner. Avoid liquids. Empty your caddy frequently. Keep a lid on it. Clean your caddy. Come on, ti gallu neud e.
Bydd wych a'i gylchafe.